So in last class, we discussed about operators. There are multiple operators we have, and we done so far a lot of operators. And today we will discuss about different kind of collection data types. And before that, we try to understand about the different kind of data types. So we know about the data types. Already we seen some data types. Already we seen some int data type, and we seen some float data type, and we seen some boolean data type, and we seen any other into float, and we seen something like a string data type. And one more thing, collection types. Collection types we have. Collection data types we have. So coming to the collection data types, we will be having the list item, and we will be having the tuple item, tuple data type. And one more collection data type, which is something like a set data type. And one more data type, which is going to be something like a dict data type, dictionary. Dictionary is something like a dict here. Okay. And collection types, list is there, tuple is there, set is there, dictionary is there. And coming to these ones, int is there, float is there, boolean is there, string is there. We already know these things, but we have to understand collection types today, and we will try to apply multiple kind of operations on collection data types also. And first we will see about the int. So what about int? X is equal to something like 23. And the type of X, what is the type of X here? Type of X is something like int. We already know about the int. And let me go with the Y is equal to 45.56. And let me go with the type of Y. Type of Y is float, floating data type. And boolean data type. So is married is equal to true. Is married. Type of is married. Type of is married. What is this is married here? Type of this is boolean data type. True and false. True and false is boolean data type. Okay. Now coming to the strings, let me go to the name. Name is equal to something like Mansa. Now type of Mansa. What is type of Mansa here? Type of name here. Type of name is str. Type of name is str. It is a string. Okay, so name is equal to, now I want to give the surprise. So this time it is single quotes. This time it is single quotes. And this is also string data type. Kausar, sound rakona. So one is string str and another one is surprise. And one more thing, name is equal to triple single quote I want to give. And here this time I'm giving the string name. When I go for type of name, and this is also string, you can give the type of this is also string. And let me go triple double quotes and Srinivas I'm giving. This time this is also string. This is also string. Okay, so there are multiple operations you can able to perform on top of the string. There are multiple operations we can able to perform on top of the string. For example, I want to append something for the string. Suppose name is equal to Srinu. Okay, so type of name is this one str, and the name is this one. What my requirement is, I want to add Srinu space Goranta. I want to add my last name or first name also for this. And str dot append. I just want to give something like a Goranta lines. I'm trying to appending some value for that. What is the append method can do? Append method is going to be adding this value for the str. Now, what is the str? Oh my God. Okay. There is no attribute called append. Append is not there. Okay. Let me go for str. No. Name. Name dot append. Name is the variable, right? Okay. Okay. There is no attribute called append. Okay. Let me try to add Add is also not there. And we can do plus. When I say plus, what is going to be happening? It is concatenation. When I go plus, what is happening? It is concatenation. Name, this time it is name plus. I want to restart the kernel. Name is equal to Srinivas. Name value and name plus space warranty. And we should assign again name. Name is equal to name plus. Finally, name. What is the name again? So name is now. So append is possible for the name, but I want to access only the first value from this particular part. So str of or name of 0. When I say name of 0 is S. Why? Because your Srinivas Gorantla. Now the complete name is Srinivas Gorantla. Srinivas Gorantla is going to be storing in array. Suppose, for example, this is S and R and I. Srinivas B. Yeah. Yes. Space and G. O. R. A. N. T. L. This is the format of the string. This is the format of the string. Why? Because of your complete string is going to be storing in the list. Your complete string is going to be storing in the list. Okay. So when I want to access the first location, you have to give the 0. Okay. So what I want to say, I want to gather the values completely from the name of the 0 colon. When I say 0 colon, 0 onwards, the complete values I want to get it. The complete values I want to get it. Now I want to go name of -1. When I say -1, the last index you can able to find out. What about the last index here? What is the last index? Can you check it out? Can you check it out? What is the first index? What is the last index value? First index is S. Last index is A. So when you want to find the last index, it is -1. When you want to find the last index, it is -1. When you want to get a first index, it is 0. Okay, I want to gather only SRI, Sri. When you want to gather only Sri, what you can do? Name of 0 colon 3. 0 colon 3. What is this 0 colon 3 is? 0 is the starting index. 0 is the starting index. And colon end index -1. End index -1. It means 0. What is the output you can able to see? 0 you can get, 1 you can get, 2 you can get. When I say 3, 3 is end index. I am giving end index is 3. When I say 3, it is 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is what? So 0 is 3, yes sir. 1 is R, 2 is I. So finally output is what? Name of 0 to 3 is 3. Am I clear? Okay, so I want to gather from last index -1 colon -6. -1 colon -6. -1 colon -6 is space. -1 colon -6 is space. Okay, so name of -1 colon -3. Okay, so -1. Okay, when you go for the forward index, name of -1 colon 4. 4 values. Fourth index I want to get. Same value is coming. the last index, name of 1 colon 5. Okay. Name of 1 colon minus 5. Name of, okay, so minus 3 colon minus 5. Name of 3 colon minus 3. So it is coming now. The forward index and ending index. Forward index and ending index. Ending index, so GORA is not coming everything. GORA only coming. That is a way. That is a way you can able to find out. And for example, I want to specify, so name 0 colon 0 colon. Okay, so colon 6. What about colon 6 here? Colon 6 only 5 values, 5 indexes I can able to see. How many indexes I can able to see now? SRI, NI. SRI 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 5 is coming there. Check it out. Name of colon 6. Name of colon 6 means what? S is 0, R is 1, I is 2, N is 3, I is 4, and V is 5. 5 means 6 minus 1. When I say 6, after colon is minus 1, index minus 1. So only 5 indexes I can able to see. That is the reason only Srini B. It is coming like Srini B. So when you want to split like this, you can able to do that. For example, I want to go like name star 2 or star 3. When I say name star 3, Srinivas Gorantla is going to be printing for 3 times value. Okay, so name of 0 colon 0 colon minus 1. What is 0 colon minus 1? It is printing everything, right? Minus 1 till minus 1 it is coming. Minus 1 is last index minus 1. Last index minus 1 means minus 2. It will come to minus 2. Okay, so name of 0 colon minus 1 colon 3. Colon 3 means what it is going to be happening? Every third step after S, again third value. What is the third value? S తర్వాత third value అంటే R లేదు, I లేదు. Third value అంటే N. మళ్ళా థర్డ్ వాల్యూ ఎన్ తర్వాత ఐ లేదు, బి లేదు, ఏ ఎస్ఎన్ఏ. మళ్ళా థర్డ్ వాల్యూ ఎస్ లేదు, స్పేస్ లేదు, ఐ తర్వాత వి లేదు, ఏ తర్వాత ఎస్ లేదు, స్పేస్ డబల్ స్పేస్ ఉంది అండ్ జి. అండ్ తర్వాత జి తర్వాత మళ్ళా 2 0 లేదు, ఓ లేదు, ఆర్ లేదు, అగైన్ ఏ కమ్స్. అంటే దిస్ ఇస్ వాట్ యాక్చువల్లీ స్టెప్ వాల్యూ. వాట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు బి హ్యాపెనింగ్? ద ఫస్ట్ ఇండెక్స్ ఇస్ స్టార్ట్ ఇండెక్స్, second one is end index minus 1, and last one is మూడోది ఏంటి? స్టెప్ వాల్యూ. మూడోది స్టెప్ వాల్యూ. How many steps I want to take, how many steps, how many jumps I want to take. So this is a way of working with the, this is messing up. This is a way of working with the strings. Okay, okay, name dot append is not working. Append పని చేయాలి. No, there is no attribute called name dot. Actually, string is immutable. That is the why reason I cannot able to do any operations for this. No, these operations cannot perform. Why? Because of str is immutable object. What is immutable object? What is immutable? Immutable means we cannot perform any operation on string. Immutable means we cannot perform any operation on string. That is basically string behavior. Only we can able to fetch the values from the string, or you can able to concatenate with some other thing. You can do concatenation, or you can able to fetch the values from the string, but you cannot able to do insert, you cannot able to do update, you cannot able to delete, and you cannot able to do add. For example, I want to insert something. So name dot insert x at 0 level or 4th level is possible. No attribute called insert. Insert is also not working. Okay, so name dot delete. I'm trying to deleting a value called a. I'm trying to deleting a value called a. So is it possible? There is no attribute called delete. So the reason is string object. String object is basically immutable. String object is basically immutable. Now let me go with the list object. List. List is a collection of similar or non-similar data types. List is a collection of similar or non-similar data types. And one more point, list starts with square braces, ends with square braces. List values are separated with comma. List last value, we don't give comma. We don't have. And one more thing, list index starts with 0. List count starts with 1. List count starts with 1. Suppose, for example, you want to count the values from the list. You want to count the values from the list. That is going to be starting with 1. Okay, so there are multiple operations you can able to perform on top of the list. We will try to understand all the list methods now. Can I create a list now? L1 is equal to, I want to create a list 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, what is L1 here? Aisha, getting understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, fine. So now, what is the type of this object? Type of the L1. What is the type of the L1? What is the type of the L1 here? Type of the L1 is list. Now I want to add a value. Add 6. There is no concept called add here. List dot append 6. Oh my God. Does not apply. Append for list. One second. Append is there. You can append a value, but oh my God. L1 kada. L1 kada boss. L1 dot. L1 is my object. Sir, kernel restart just now. We'll start the kernel restart. Okay, so let me execute the list here. Okay, so type of the L1, that is the one, and add is not working. Append is working. L1 dot. Yes. Now what is L1 now? 6 got appended. 6 got appended. So what is this append method can do? Append will append value at end of the stack. Append will append value at end of the stack. So what is the stack? So you have the stack of the values. List means the stack of the values 0, 1, 2, 3 like that. The last index, after the last index, the one more index is going to be adding when you say append. So can I append one more time? L1 dot append. I want to append 7. Can I append 7 now? Now what is the L1 here? Okay, I want to append more values. For example, L1 dot append. I want to append values called 8, 9, 10, 8 comma 9 comma 10. Can I do at the same time multiple values for the list? Now what about L1? Oh, okay. L1 dot. Now this is the L1. So L1 dot remove 8 comma 9 comma 10. Now what about L1? Okay, now it is okay. So already removed. Now L1 dot append append 8 comma 9 comma 8 comma 9 comma 10. Is it possible? Sir, remember dot append. Now what about L1 now? Okay. Exactly one argument. Only one argument it will take. Okay, so fine. L1 dot append 8. Is a mistake just anymore. L1 dot append 8. Slowly you have to do this. Okay, append is working. Append is working. Now what I want to do is I want to remove the value called 1. L1. Okay, I want to do insert. Insert a value. What is the value I want to insert? I want to insert a value called 10 at 0 index. Malli spelling tapa. Okay. Now L1. Okay, so insert a value called 10. What is happening? Why is 0? Insert also works. No? Okay, first we have to say the position, then only we have to say the element. That is a mistake here. First we have to say the position. L1 dot insert. First say the position 0, value 20. Now L1. Okay. L1 dot remove 0. 0 will remove. Now L1. Finally, insert is also working. So what about insert now? What about insert method? Tell me. Insert method will insert value at any index for the list. Okay, so for insert, one simple thing we have to do. For insert, there are two things. One is the position, one is the position, one is the value. For example, if I want to insert more and more values, if I want to insert another list inside the list, that is also possible. L1 dot insert at 0 position. I want to insert couple of values. I want to insert a comma b comma c. I want to insert a couple of values a comma b comma c at the position of 0. Now L1 finally one more list I got inserted the position 0 at the position 0. Okay, finally L1. L1 is this. What I want to do is I want to remove the value. L1 dot remove from 0 position. From 0 position, what is the values I want to remove? A comma, sorry, A comma, B comma, C. I want to remove the value. Insert is working. Okay, remove is also works. Okay, remove is not takes. Take exactly one argument to remove. Directly you can say the value A comma B comma C. Problem L1. Now L1 is removed. The value called remove. So what the method called remove? Remove method will remove the values. Okay, so I want to remove the 22 now. How to remove 22? L1 dot remove 0 position, comma 22. Can I remove it? Okay, remove 22 and type L1 dot remove. It will not take index, I think so. 22 remove. Only you can say the value. When you say the value, whenever you want to insert the value, then only you have to say the position. When you want to remove the value, directly you can give the value, automatically it will be removed. So append is working, insert is working, remove is working, all these things are working. So list is, I told you already, list is immutable. Sorry, list is mutable. What is the meaning of mutable? What is the meaning of mutable? Append is working, insert is working, and add is working. Add means append, and delete is working. Delete and remove. Remove is working. See, there are multiple operations you can able to perform for the list object. Okay, now my L1 is this. I want to perform some operations on the list. L1 of 0. What is the L1 of 0? Okay, L1 of 0 to 5. 0 to 5 means 5 minus 1, fourth index. 0 to 5 means what? Here, first index colon, last index minus 1. First index colon, last index minus 1. So first index is 1 and last index is something like 5. It means 5 minus 1, fourth index, 0 to 4. 0 is 1, 1 is 2, 2 is 3, 3 is 4, 4 is 5. That way. Okay, I want to gather a list of minus 1 colon minus 1. What is going to be happening? 1 colon minus 1. When I say 1 colon minus 1, 2 to 7 it is coming. L1 of starting index is 6 or starting index is 3 colon minus 2. Some values are coming 4 colon minus 2. Okay, L1 of 0 to 7 colon 2. This is the step value. This step value. This time start index, then colon, end index, colon, step value. Everything is performing well. Now we have the list L1. L1 is this. L1 into 3 times. What is going to be happening? L1 is going to be printing for 3 times to you. L1 is going to be printing for 3 times for you. That's it. So this is a kind of list objects. Okay. I want to create a list like a fruits. Fruits is equal to, I want to go like apple, and comma orange, comma okay. I got apple, orange, banana, grapes. Okay, so now fruits of 0. What is fruits of 0? Hmm. Fruits dot append lemon. Append method is working. Yeah, append method is working. What is the problem for this? It should be parenthesis like this. FRUITS. Now fruits. Kernel restart. Now fruits of 0 and fruits of append. Now again fruits. What happened? Somewhere we got the issue. Kernel restart one more time. Fruits. Fruits not recognizing. What is the problem? Okay, Aisha, please reconnect one more time. The session is going to be ending now. Please reconnect one more time.